Hi, I'm Riya Rajbhar and welcome to Informative Insight by ADRH. Today we examine the Bombay High Court's decision in ABB India Limited versus Sunil Hariram Jaising and others. The case concerns online arbitration under the Securities Market ODR framework, but its central message is broader. Speed cannot replace natural justice. The dispute began with 175 ABB shares held by Jaisingh's late father. After his father's death in 1988, Jaisingh sought transmission of the shares in 1992. The then registrar and transfer agent, the TCS, returned the application and original share certificates, asking for probate of the will. According to the record, Jaisingh's advocate later said that the certificates were misplaced. Nearly 3 decades later, in 2021, the advocate reportedly found the certificates and returned them. When Jaisingh approached KFIN, the current registrar, he was told that the folio showed Nell holding duplicate certificate had been issued earlier, and the shares had already been dematerialized in 1998 and 1999. Meanwhile, corporate actions had changed the original holding into 1,550 ABB shares and 310 Hitachi Energy India shares. ODR proceedings and award. Jaisingh first complained to SEBI. ABB resisted the claim, saying it was time-barred, involved apparent fraud, and was outside SEBI's purview. Conciliation under the ODR platform failed, with fraud being central to the matter. Arbitration followed under the same ODR framework. The tribunal directed ABB to restore the shares or to pay market value compensation. But the High Court found serious flaws in the process. The tribunal held only one hearing before ABB's statement of defense had been filed. Additional submissions quantify the claim came later yet. No further hearing was held. No issues were framed, no evidence was led, and no cross examination took place. Justice Somashekhar Sundaresan held that award was unsustainable. The court noted that issues of fraud, limitation, delay, third-party rights, and the proper forum for share transmission could not be decided summarily. The judgment memorably observed that the tribunal seemed to remember that justice delayed is justice denied, but forgot that justice hurried is justice buried. The court also held that fraud lay at the heart of the dispute. The possible roles of Jaisingh, his advocate, TCS, ABB, or others required investigation. The tribunal could not give clean conclusions without evidence. Since the shares were already in the hands of third parties and Hitachi was not even a party, the matter could not be treated as a simple bilateral dispute. The Bombay High Court allowed ABB's Section 34 petition and set aside the award. It held that the award suffered from patent illegality, failed to properly examine fraud, and awarded damages without considering delay, mitigation, contributory negligence, or third party rights. The takeaway is clear: ODR can make dispute resolution faster, but not at the cost of fairness, evidence, and due process. I'm Riya Rajbhar, and you were listening to ADRH. Thank you for joining us.